2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally the 0. So what else we have? This is plus. This is for minus. This is for division. And this is for multiplication. So how it works, what you need to do. So let's take 1 plus 2, and I forgot to tell about is equal to also. Is equal to 3. Isn't it good? Now let's do the subtract option. So what we will do, 1 0 minus 2 is equal to 8. Division. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 5. Correct. Multiplication operation is multiplication. 2 is equal to 10.